how to quickly and easily hide or unhide the taskbar in Windows 11 with this step-by-step tutorial. Whether you want to maximize your screen space or bring back the taskbar for easy access to your favorite apps, this guide has got you covered.
First, right-click your taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Now click on Taskbar Behaviors. Now check Automatically hide your taskbar. Now you just need to hover your cursor at the bottom of the screen to make your taskbar reappear. If you want to undo the changes, make your taskbar reappear. Right-click it and select Taskbar Settings. Select Taskbar Behaviors. Now uncheck Automatically hide your taskbar. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.